An exam consists of 10 multiple choice questions having exactly one option correct out of 4. Find the probability of attempting exactly 6 questions correctly. Okay, 10 क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ज्यादा है यहाँ पे. हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, let's consider a small set. Let's consider an exam with 3 such multiple choice questions only and find the probability of getting exactly one correct. अगर अपने पास 3 questions है guys, what we can do is हम लोग पहला question शायद सही attempt कर सकते हैं, suppose, okay, दूसरा क्वेश्चन गलत कर सकते हैं, तीसरा क्वेश्चन गलत, राइट. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अटेंडिंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेक्ट इज व्हाट, आपने 4 में से एग्जैक्टली एक सही वाला मार्क किया, राइट. सो फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू बी अटेम्प्टेड करेक्टली द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1/4. सिमिलरली अगर आपको ये दो क्वेश्चंस गलत करने हैं, इन दैट केस फॉर ईच ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस यू आर सिलेक्टिंग एक 3 out of the 3 incorrect options, you are selecting the one incorrect option over here, right? So the probability of attempting the second question incorrectly is 3 out of 4, and for the probability of attempting exactly the third question incorrectly also is 3 out of 4, right? Ab guys, you want all of this, right? You want exactly one question to attempt it correctly, मतलब आपको सिर्फ एक फर्स्ट वाला सही करना है और दो गलत करने हैं, right? So required probability will be this into this into this. You want all these 3, right? अब गाइस एग्जैक्टली वन करेक्ट का मतलब ये तो नहीं कि आप सिर्फ पहले वाला सही अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट द सेकंड वन आल्सो करेक्टली. इन दैट केस द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 3/4 into 1/4 into 3/4, राइट. एंड इसका मतलब ये भी है कि यू कुड हैव अटेम्प्टेड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन आल्सो करेक्टली, ये भी हो सकता है. on one first and second आप incorrectly attempt कर रहे हो, right? So for that the required probability will be 3/4 into 1/4, right? Now guys, going on further, in this case the final required probability क्या हो सकती है? Either you attempt the first one correctly, or you attempt second one correctly, or you attempt third one correctly, right? So it is either of these 3, right? So if it is either of these 3, that means these 3 are mutually exclusive. या तो ये होगा या फिर ये होगा या फिर ये होगा, राइट. सो फाइनल प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? समेशन ऑफ दीज 3 प्रोबेबिलिटीज. इन दैट केस इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट इज नथिंग बट 3/4 स्क्वायर. दो बार में आएगा 3/2, देखो सब जगह से 3/4 स्क्वायर तो आएगा ही आएगा गाइस, राइट. सो इट इज नथिंग बट 3/4 स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1/4. ये लिखा है ना आपने 3 बार, राइट. एक बार इधर एक बार इधर एक बार इधर, राइट. सो इट इज 3/4 स्क्वायर into 1/4 into 3. ओके. All right, now this 3 I replace it simply by 3C1. Okay, हम समझेंगे थोड़ी देर में क्यों. Because 3 questions are being given in the test. You are attempting exactly one question correctly in this case, right? So probability क्या हुई? 3 में से एक 3C1 select करना into 3/4 square for not attempting correctly and 1/4 is to 1 exactly one attempted correctly. All right, इसको एक और example से हम ऐसे समझते हैं. In the next case, all right, suppose you have the probability of getting exactly 2 correct out of 3. So in this case guys क्या हो जाएगा? For the correctly attempted questions the probability is 1/4 each, and for the incorrect question attempted the probability is 3 out of 4, right? So देखो आपने क्या किया है, 1/4 दो बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है. So it is 1/4 का स्क्वायर into 3/4, right? यही चीज आपने 3 बार लिखा है, right? 1, 2 and 3. So the required probability is 1/4 square into 3/4 raised to 1 into 3, isn't it? Okay, which is nothing but 3C2 into 3/4 raised to 1 into 1/4 square. Okay, कहने का मतलब ये है, out of 3 questions you are attempting exactly 2 questions correctly, right? So 1/4 raised to correct का probability 1/4 raised to 2 हो जाएगा, and incorrect का क्या हो जाएगा? 3/4 raised to 1 in this case, right? Alright, एक और same example लेते हैं. Probability of getting exactly 2 correct out of 4. तो out of the 4 questions suppose that you have guys, आपको 2 सही करना है, तो 1/4 इन दोनों का probability हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड इनकरेक्टली अटेम्प्टेड के लिए इन दोनों का हो जाएगा 3/4, राइट. ऐसे एग्जैक्टली 6 आउटकम पॉसिबल है, राइट. यू कैन सी इट ऑन द स्क्रीन राइट नाउ गाइस. एंड गाइस इन ऑल दीस 6 आउटकम्स यू बेसिकली हैव 3/4 स्क्वायर एंड 1/4 स्क्वायर, इजंट इट, राइट. और ये 6 बार हो जा रहा है. सो द फाइनल रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 6 times 1/4 square into 3/4 square. 6 को मैं लिखता हूँ guys 4C2. ओके, कहने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना है, of the 4 questions that you have, I am attempting exactly 2 questions correctly. Okay, so 4C2 into 1/4 square correct का, 3/4 square incorrect का probability, right? Going on further, probability of getting exactly 3 correct out of 4. Again the exact same thing guys. For 3 questions जो हम सही attempt कर रहे हैं, the probabilities are 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 everywhere, right? 1/4 you can see it here, right? And which you are attempting incorrectly, उसका probability क्या हो गया? 3/4 हो गया, right guys? You can see it over here, right? So it is nothing but 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 तीन बार मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1/4 क्यूब into उसको 3/4 से एक बार मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3/4 raised to 1. Okay, ऐसा कितने बार हुआ? 4 बार हुआ, right? Okay, so I can write this as 4 के जगह पे 4C3 into 1/4 raised to 3 into 3/4 raised to 1. Okay, again out of 4 questions I am attempting exactly 3 questions correctly. Okay, so the required probability is 4C3, 4 में से 3 सही करना है, into probability of getting exactly 3 correct, 1 by 4 raised to 3, and exactly 1 incorrect, 3 by 4 raised to 1. Alright, इसी को हम guys generalize करते हैं as the binomial probability. Okay, the probability of getting exactly r successes out of n experiments such that the probability of success is p will be nothing but NCR. 4 क्वेश्चन में से आपको सपोज एक सही करना था, 4C1 किया था हमने, into probability of getting exactly 1 question correct was 1 by 4. ओके ऐसे कितने क्वेश्चन हमको सही करने थे, 1, राइट? सो 1 by 4 raised to 1 था, एंड इनकरेक्ट का क्या था, 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 raised to 3, यही था ना, राइट? तो अगर आपको 4 में से 2 क्वेश्चन सही करने थे, 4C2 into 1 by 4 raised to 2 into remaining 1 minus 1 by 4 or 3 by 4 raised to 2, right? Okay, so you can generalize this by saying, okay, out of n experiments, if you want exactly r successes, the probability of getting that, okay, given that success of the probability of one success is p. Okay, so in that case, the probability of getting exactly n में से r successes will be NCR into p raised to r into 1 minus p raised to n minus r. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right. An example consists of 10 multiple choice questions having exactly one option correct out of 4. Find the probability of attempting exactly 6 questions correctly. Okay. So again, 10 में से आपको 6 select करना है correctly. That probability is 10C6. Okay, and probability of attempting exactly one question correctly is 1 by 4. Right? So the final probability is basically 10C6, all right, into the probability of success is 1 by 4 and failure is 3 by 4. So success raised to 6, which is exactly 6 questions correctly, and remaining failure raised to 4. Right? So 10C6 into 1 by 4 raised to 6 into 3 by 4 raised to 4. That's the required probability. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for probability, and I hope you've understood this topic and you have also understood all that we have discussed till now. In case you come across any errors, please forgive me for the same. So see you next time then. Keep preparing, keep studying. All the best. Bye bye.